Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, you can now build games with Flutter, and in this video I'll be showing you where to get free assets for your game. Doesn't matter if it's a Flutter game, Unity 3D, Unreal Engine game, free assets for your game. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Alright, so the first website I'll be showing you is the opengameheart.org. Don't worry, all the links will be in the description below. And this website actually started as a repository to drop your free art. You can press any of these to download the assets. Don't worry, I'll also show you how to use these assets in your game. So open game art, number one. Number two is a top free game asset. Now this does not only contain free asset, but it contains free and paid assets. And as you can see, that's the pixel art, the 2D, the retro, the tie sets, all the assets you can imagine are here. Click on this, you can see all the assets over here. You download as a zip actually and use it in your game. The third one is the character game dev, and this is just for indie developers. Also it consists of free and paid assets, but the best thing is that it also consists of audios. You can use 2D art, 3D art, the graphical user interface, anything you want can be found here. You can see the examples of assets we have over here. So you just come here, type paid or free, the price range if you want paid, and the link will also be in the description below. And the fourth website is the game art 2D, and this only consists of 2D assets. As you can see here, also GUI typeset, sprite, and license. Check out the game arts over here. And these are just the free assets, the free website for assets I found for you. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to learn how to build games with Flutter, also subscribe to this channel because I'll be showing you how to build a full game with Flutter. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next lesson.